All moms need and deserve pampering. This is the day to do it. On May 10th, make her feel fabulous inside and out with pampering body products that she can use at home. From our VitaCura body collection, with scents of vanilla and rooibos, she'll fall in love with the smell and feel of this trio. Our lightweight VitaCura Soufflé, our VitaCura Nutri Oil, which contains a blend of exotic oils, and our extra rich VitaCura Nutri Creme. And of course, mom deserves a new soft robe as part of the package. After a nice bath or relaxing shower, there's nothing more important and better feeling than putting on your robe and layering on luxurious body care that leaves your skin feeling invigorated. Happy Mother's Day to all moms, and thank you for watching.